What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video we're going to have a look at the 3 best online businesses to start in 2020. We're talking about home business here. I'm going to share with you a few tips and tricks also on these online business ideas here that you can get started with. So to find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so I just came up with another online business that is very popular also, so I'm going to share that too here in this video today. So what you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information I'm going to share with you on these 4 best online businesses that you can get started from the comfort of your home there. If you're interested also in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that you can have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at these 3+1 best online businesses you can get started with in 2020 and beyond. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing that we can do is actually teaching online, alright? It has become very popular the last decade or so actually. Very easy to get started with. You don't need to be a super expert on the topic there. You can create small courses. People are very hungry, want to learn information, and they do come to platforms like this one you see here, which is udemy.com. Now, before I actually show you around a little bit here, I have created 2 courses to this day. The first one is Audio Video Mastery, where I show people on how they can create audio and video productions like a pro, fast and easy, that converts with results, as you can see here. Basically what I had to do here is I needed to write the copy, I needed to find graphics, so it actually requires a bit more to create an online course like this. Same goes for the daily list profits, which involves email list building and affiliate marketing. I show people on how they can make the $100 plus per day here. Basically it was that I had to create everything from scratch here also. So a great opportunity actually, so you don't have to deal with copywriting and anything like that, is to go to a platform like udemy.com. And if I scroll down a little bit here, you can see that it is basically there are any kind of topic that you can imagine and want to learn about. Udemy probably have it, alright? Is probably the largest online learning platform also to this day, I think. So you can see here the prices are actually $194, but when you do log in and have an account, you can see that they sell a lot of courses for $19.99 here. So you get them with a discount. But it still is very good, because if you look here, for example, look at this photography masterclass. We have 23,000 people that has enrolled in this course. All right, look at this, 18,000 people, 26,000. So you never know what how many people are going to actually look at your course there. If it is something that people are searching for, now this is probably very popular. The Excel, people want to learn Excel, photography. So what you need to do is search a little bit around here, and as I said, you don't need to be a super expert to create a course here, alright? Look at this, 16,000. So if I just fire up the calculator here and are playing a little bit with the numbers, let's say that we have 23,000 people that has enrolled in the course, and let's say that you are earning 50% here, which is probably much more, but you can see here that probably this teacher here has earned 230,000 and probably more actually by selling this course here. Alright, so I hope that you realize that there is a huge potential here. Now basically we can have a look at the instructor revenue share here. You see here, you earn actually 97% revenue share on sales made by instructors where the student purchases their course. All right. But let's say, for example, that they find you organic. It means that people are searching for something on Google and they find the link to your course there. It means that 50% revenue goes to Udemy and 50% to you, all right? And of course, if it is a paid user, you earn only 25%, which is still very good in my opinion, all right? So use your imagination here, and what you can do is you can actually upload the course here on the Skillshare, which is also a very popular platform, and you can of course go to another one like teachable.com. These are only 3 platforms. There are definitely more platforms online here, so I'm just showing you these 3 platforms here. So you can quickly do the maths here, all right? Let's say that you have a course uploaded on these 3. Use your imagination there. If it is something that people are searching for, you have definitely made yourself a great amount of money by just teaching online, and it is actually more or less passive, all right? I mean, you create the course once, you upload it, and it works for itself actually. All right, let's move on to the next online business that you can get started with, and that is e-commerce. Shopify is probably the largest platform here, has everything you need to start and sell online here by creating your online store, all right? So there are a few opportunities. I would have preferred actually to make a drop shipping here because you don't want to deal with shipping, but if it is something that you can handle the shipping, sure, no problem. You can sell that too here, both with drop shipping or without. Still, Shopify is the number 1 in my opinion. So what you need to do, of course, you have to upload some pictures there on the product that you're going to sell, set the price there, and they do have also a payment processor and everything here. So Shopify is definitely a great way, and e-commerce is still very popular, so it is a great way to start an online business if you think that is something for you. Let's move on to the third one, and that is affiliate marketing, which is also my favorite method here, one of my favorite methods, because you don't have to deal anything with creating products, you don't have to deal with shipping. All you need to do is grab a link, find a way to promote that link, and you earn a commission. Amazon is probably the number 1 way to go to. You earn anything from 4 up to 8. I think some products have actually up to 10%, but usually it's around 4 or 5% actually that you earn a commission from with Amazon. So let's say that you promote, for example, the headphones here, you earn 4%. Now, what's really nice with Amazon is that they do have something called the 24-hour cookie. So let's say, for example, that I promote this product, okay, and you come here and purchase that. It means that I get 4% commissions from the headphones. But you realize that you want to purchase, let's say, for example, this also, okay? I earn a commission from that too. So that is what the 24-hour cookie is all about. Or let's say I buy a camera. I seen some crazy things that I never promoted and I earned commissions from Amazon. So that is what's really nice with Amazon. I have actually a video on my channel here on how you can get started with Amazon's affiliate marketing here. So if you're interested, you can search around here and have a look at that video as well. Another platform which is very popular is ClickBank, also very easy to get started with. That is why it is a preferred one. Has almost every niche that is available that you can imagine online here. I usually take something from the health and fitness, so I'm going to just go inside here. So you can see here, you can sort by, you can sort by gravity. It is ClickBank's own metric, or keep it as a popularity. This is an offer that has been popular for a very long time. Have a look at the details here on the affiliate page. Totally depends on what way you're going to promote it, but you can read through all of the details. But I have also a lot of videos with ClickBank here that you can have a look at. Works really simple. What you do is you grab the link here by hit the promotion, you click on generate hope link, and use a link shortener like bit.ly, because this is a long affiliate ugly link here, so it might look a little bit weird. So you can use a link shortener. You grab that link and find your way to promote that. It totally depends on what niche you're involved in, of course. It can be YouTube, it can be by blogging, it can be Facebook advertising, can be Google advertising, a lot of ways that you can promote, of course, as an affiliate marketer there. So really there are no limits on how much you can earn as an affiliate marketer. Now, what I would also emphasize on here is actually build an email list, as I said earlier, where I created my course there. So you use something like this. This is my squeeze page, opt-in page here. What you do is I tell people to opt in here. In exchange for that, I'm giving them a free case study here that they can have a look at this video here, okay? So people are opting in, and it means that my traffic don't get wasted. I mean, if you don't have an email list, if you don't have an opt-in page like this, you're sending straight to the offer, you have only one shot there. But if you are using an opt-in page here, it means that I can promote again and again to the same email address there. So affiliate marketing is definitely one of the most popular ways to create an online business with, from the comfort of your home, of course. All right, let's have a quick look at the final method here, the bonus method that I was talking about, and that is that you can become any kind of a freelancer. All right, so you can do this from the comfort of your home by just have a quick look here. Fiverr is definitely one of the most popular platforms, but you can go to a few more like Upwork, there is Freelancer, there is People Per Hour, so you can create an account on all these sites. Let's say, for example, that you are good at creating logos here, okay? So by just having a logo, you can see here that there is tons of people that has earned money by creating logos, all right? You can search here by the most popular. You're going to see probably, let's say, the best selling. Let's go for the best selling here to have a quick look. Look at this, over 1,000 gigs here, and it starts at 33,000, all right? $33, I'm sorry. So you can see here they design a logo here. Let's see what we have here. 600 gigs, $47, 47 euros. It is approximately around $50 here. So use your imagination, and it doesn't have to be only logo. It can be, for example, video. If I just type video editing, for example, you can do that. There are so many opportunities here that you can do as a freelancer, okay? Just think what you are good at, and you can do your own research here, of course, before you get started and create your own profile. Or create a profile and do 2 or 3 things. I mean, you can do a transcriptions job, for example, all right? Doesn't require any special skills to do a transcription jobs. You need just a good pair of headphones and be good at typing, actually. So you can see here, video editing, it starts here at 123 euros, 30 US dollars approximately for this one, and so on here, all right? So tons of opportunities that you can do as a freelancer. You can do this, of course, from the comfort of your home. This is Upwork, another site that has tons of people, and they do post projects here, so you can go in on a daily basis actually and have a look and see what job is available here. Alright, so there you have it. 3 + 1 makes it 4 of the best online businesses to start in 2020 and beyond. And we're talking about home business, as I said earlier here. Now, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below, so make sure you check that out. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And you also find an end screen here with another Make Money Online video recommendation. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.